What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. So I'm gonna light them up, the mercury tire side. How crazy is that? We're going to need dish soap, warm water with some kind of container, and most important, dry ice. Let's get to our experiment. So first we're gonna pour some soap inside of the water, and then we want to mix it up so we get the soapy water. And then we're going to grab a piece of dry ice and put it into the soapy water, and let's see what happens. We pretty much getting bubbles. So we're pretty much getting the bubble making machine. You can actually now touch it with your hand. That's totally safe. And when you pop bubbles, smoke comes out. So for the kids, will be super fun. So you grab it, look, and if I pop them, smoke comes out. And the smoke actually really warm. Let's check it out. So if you have a bunch of kids and you wanna do some kind of cool experiments, this is completely safe. Just make sure they do not touch the piece of ice, so you need adult supervision. Boom. How cool is that? This is actually so much fun and stress relieving. I'm actually gonna play this all night because it's so cool. And then you can grab it in your hand and just pop it, and smoke comes out. So isn't it pretty unusual? Very simple experiment. All you need is dry ice, water and soap, and that's what kind of result you get. Smoky bubbles. Oh, that was cool. And you got over the dry ice melting and producing CO2 comes out from top, and that's what it creates. Smoke inside of our bubbles. Boom. In one glass we're going to add milk, and in another glass we're gonna add Kahula coffee liquor. Then we're going to need a film like that. We're gonna put over this glass like that and flip it over and put it on this glass. I'm gonna grab the glass and put it upside down, and it shouldn't spill out too much. Then carefully put it over this glass. You see what I'm saying? So make sure glass is on top of each other, and then we're gonna make a little slot in between of the glasses. Just a really small one. And see what happens. How cool is that? Pretty much milk less dense than the room, so that's what happening. It's separating. All the milk wanna go up because it's lighter, and all the liquor wants to go down, and they cannot mix together because they are different density. Experiment, you're gonna need a Q-tips like that, 12 of them, and you wanna glue them together. As you can see, I just grab it and took out all this part and glue them together, with the hot glue. It is super simple. Just make a square, glue them together, then this 4 and then top ones. Very simple to do. And then we're going to need soap. And now let's see the magic. So what will happen if I'm gonna dip it in soap like this, like all 4 corners, you know? let's check out what happened. Check it out. You see, there's 4 bubbles like that inside, like a triangle bubble. You see, if I put my finger here, there's nothing here. Boom, it popped. So we're gonna dip it back together, and look, it's like a triangle because it pulls all together. Isn't it crazy? So yeah, that looks super cool. You see what I'm saying? It looks like, you know, those sand clock. But can we make a square over there in the middle? Let's try it out. What I'm gonna get is bubbler and grab a small bubble inside of it. Let's see if it will work. Boom. And we actually got a square inside of it. Bubble stuck inside of this square. How cool is that? Isn't it insane? Check this out. It just stays there. You guys gotta thumbs up this video because this is like the coolest thing ever. Well, sometimes it doesn't work. Boom. And we got a small square again inside of it. How cool is that? Let's try to pop it. And this experiment we're going to need glass of water, empty plastic cup, saran wrap, knife or scissors, and of course dry ice. So let's check out what we're going to do. Oh yeah, and don't forget about the rubber band. What we're gonna do is grab empty cup and make a hole over here. Then I'm gonna put few pieces of dry ice in there and put the ceramic wrap and put a rubber band on top of it. Then we're gonna grab water and put it in a glass. As you can see, a lot of smoke comes out, and then I'm gonna heat it with my finger right here, and guess what? We're gonna see rings flying. The best way to do it is put warm water in there, so you have more smoke, and check it out. And they actually stay for a while. Smoke rings, pretty awesome, huh? Let me know what you think, comments below. This is actually a lot of fun. All I have to do is stop it this way right here, and the ring comes out.